Okay, this one's going to be very simple today. I have 3 colors that I had mixed up and were underneath my bench, and I really wanted to try to go another direction with them. I haven't done a bloom for about a month and a half, so I thought I'd do a bloom today using 3 TLP colors. This is a combination of Submarine and Honeycomb. This is Grenache, the deep red, and this is Ballet slipper. So I've got gold, beautiful yellow gold, and a deep red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from, I want the yellow to be my base color. So I'm going to go yellow, red with the gold on top, and a white cell activator. So let's see how this goes. PPG Multi-Pro is my pillow paint for today. Hopefully that's not too much. I'll be putting quite a bit of paint down today, so I don't want to put too much of my pillow paint down. And I get it centered. I don't know that I did. Let me see if I can center this up just a little bit. That's better. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to start with my yellow, a little bit thick. I don't know if you can see the consistency there. This is probably maybe just a little bit thick. I'm gonna be doing a chaos, so the whole idea with this is going to be to have as much color layer as I can get without, without going too far overboard. So if it's a little bit thick, it's going to be okay. That's what I'm telling myself, folks. This is the predominant color I want to see. So now I'm going to add my Grenache. This is a color that's in my box and I just don't use enough, and I don't know why, because it's absolutely stunning. But like any red, it will take over if you allow it to. So I'm not putting as much down on this one for the red. Finally, the Ballet slipper. When I say chaos, I just mean there's no rhyme or reason as to how I'm laying this down. Usually with blooms, I try to put it straight down. I'm going to try a little different technique with this. Normally, this is how I will do if it's going to be a swipe. Today, I'm going to do a bloom, and this bloom is going to be a granite experiment. We'll see how it works. This is my Amsterdam cell activator, and I'm going to put a decent amount down here, folks. Normally I would look at that and I'd say, oh boy, that's way too much. But I'm going to be using my dryer today. So I'm going to shut up now because I'm going to just probably silence this once we start. So Okay, let's see what happens if I get it opened up just a little bit. I can see now that I'm going to have to do quite a bit of spinning to get myself to go all the way out to the sides. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay. And let's do another spin. God, these colors are so nice together. You can't see the depth of color there is with this yet. I'll show you in just a minute when I take you down. Okay, I'm not happy about this middle. I think it just got too much cell activator there, and it's going to continue to fall. And as it, it's going to sink, and as it sinks, it's going to bring in more cells, and those cells are going to develop more. I don't know how I feel about this side over here. There's several things I could do. Several things I could do, and I just don't want to get too extreme at this point. Okay, one more spin. Really like that Submarine and Honeycomb together. It's light and dark at the same time. It's a beautiful combination. I'm seeing some fragmentation, or it's getting grainy on me throughout this part. That tells me that I probably stretch that paint out too much. I'm going to take you down for a close-up and we'll decide. Okay, you can see that what I was talking about in here, where my paints have gotten a little bit grainy, and that's the Grenache. So I'm not really sure what happened there, but I did get some cells that just are very pretty. That's very light here. You can see that there are cells in there, and those cells just I really like a lot. The piece is pretty meh, so I'm not sure. I could have scraped and brought it over and played some games on this end over here, but I don't know what to do about this. I think I might end up scraping this and trying again. But you know, I do these for two reasons. It's important that you get an idea of what it is I see when I do these, and it's sometimes it works, sometimes it's just not what you think it's gonna be. I love the colors, no doubt about it, but let's see what we can do. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here and hope that you got something out of this. See you next time. Bye for now.